car, Toyota Camry. So without wasting much time, we're gonna go ahead with the unpacking or unboxing of this thing, what you want to call it as. So there we have it, and that's the connector. It's inside this plastic bag, which looks very nice. So we're gonna go ahead and open this stuff up, and there it is. That connects to your car, and it's a Bluetooth interface. I think, yeah, that's the OBD2. I'm trying to focus. Holy crap, why is not focusing? Alright. Yeah, so that's the OBD2, and that's the connector which connects to your car, or the OBD2 connector. On this side you have nothing. The front side is like this. These are the LEDs which represents different kind of the LEDs actually represent different kind of interaction with the car, as well as with your computer. Not computer, it's only Android compatible, so with your phone. So it's ELM 327 interface, supports all OBD2 protocols. As I said, it's for Android. I'm not sure about it. We can go and have a look on the computer if it works. If it works, then that's great. Then it'll be like 2-in-1. It's like working for computer as well as for phone. So that'll be a nice thing to have. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and connect it to the computer, and I'm gonna see if this thing works fine or not. And it's like, you know, this big. Where it went? There it is. It's like this big, of the size of your palm normally. So in case if you're wondering what's the size, whether it's bulky or not. I mean, I was going to buy the small one, you know, that blue colored, but it looked cheap, and cheap in the sense that was like OBD version 1.5, and this is like OBD version 2.0. So of course my eyes went on this. I don't care about the size because it's gonna go down below the steering wheel, and it's gonna be hidden beneath the car, so that's not a big problem. Yeah, so that's it. That's the unboxing of this connector. So bye bye guys, and take care.